Go.
Okay, now we're going to assemble our shade together with the final touch, and this is where we're going to use the no-sew product, the no-sew adhesive. Your shade has been pressed into size, it's square, and we've pressed all the edges. So what we're going to do now is we're going to unfold the hem, unfold one side, and as you can see it's folded over the lining, and we're going to add the tape. Now the tape is going to go along the edge, but about 1/8 of an inch from the outside of the fabric. So let me lay it down, I'll show you the distance. This tape will seal itself. And as you can see, there's just a small ledge, but when you're going to be sewing your rings on, you don't want to sew into the tape because it will make your needle sticky. So in turn, we're going to press it, and that's going to make it adhere a little bit faster. Now we're going to add tape to the other side. The tape is very, very sticky. It's pressure sensitive, but I like to use the iron with it just a tiny bit. Don't iron it with a lot of strength. Just what it does is it warms and gets the adhesive to stick to your fabric. And all you have to do is tear it apart at the end. We do have special little scissors available for this, but don't cut it with your regular fabric scissors. Okay, we're also going to open up our shade, fold back the lining, and across the top we're going to add some adhesive from inside of the fold lines. So basically 12 inches, that's the width of our shade, and we're going to adhere our lining to the top of the fabric as well. One of the reasons we're going to do this is because when we put your Velcro on, or if you just mount your shade with the adhesive, you're going to want everything to stick together all the way through, and this way it'll prevent your shade from slouching. So we're just going to lay it together, and it's adhered together as one piece at the top. Okay, our next step is to remove the paper side of the adhesive, but there's a couple small tricks to this. And we want to lay your side hem down flat. You don't want to lift it and try to put it together with the other fabric after you've taken the tape off. What I found is that if you will start your tape and remove it, leaving your hem flat so it attaches right to the lining, and just pull the paper. This way you're not trying to replace it, it's not going to change the size of your shade, and it will keep it square, and it won't round the outside edges over. So all you do is just pull it off, and then press it one more time just to sort of fast set the adhesive. The adhesive is very, very sticky, and so this is something that you want to make sure that you don't have your fingers with it and touching it a lot, because it will stick and change the shape of your fabric and your shade.